Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguar.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. This is the broadcast for June 9th, 2025. June is full of events like Father's Day and promotion for the 5th graders.
Let's get started with the Jaguar Pledge.
I'm a Johnson Jaguar. I'm a responsible learner. I am safe, I'm respectful, I'm productive. I am a Johnson Jaguar. Roar. Be safe. Remember your own bubble of space and stay in it.
Be respectful. Apologize even when you hurt someone by accident. Accidents hurt just as much.
Be productive. Do your best on the end of the year test. Show what you know. Enjoy the show.
Bye. My name is Nova and this is Jackie. Open house was so fun. I love showing my family what I owned. Open house lets you show your family what you did this year. I also love the popsicles. Let's take a look at the pictures. Hey, Kana, did you know that last week was field day?
Yes, I had so much fun.
We had an amazing time.
Great job, team captains, aka 5th and 4th grade.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez and team for organizing this event.
And did you know that my brother was a captain?
Also, my sister was a captain.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. This week is National Flag Week.
Did you know that the original flag for the USA looked like this?
It had 13 stars and stripes for the 13 colonies in 1775.
Our current flag was adopted in July 4th, 1960.
It has undergone 26 changes.
Happy Flag Week!
July
birthdays.
Since we won't be here this month, we'd like to wish people a happy birthday for July.
Here are some of the people with July birthdays. Miss Sarah, Miss Crawford,
Miss Wheatner, Miss Metz,
Mr. Silva, Miss Myra, Miss Lindsay. If your birthday is in July, please stand up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to July birthdays. Happy birthday to July birthdays. Happy birthday to you.
Hope you have a great birthday.
Today is National Donald Duck Day. Donald Duck has been around since 1939.
He is one of the top 50 cartoons characters of all time.
All right, Danny, I think we should try to impersonate him.
Okay.
Let's try. You want to go first?
You.
Okay. So funny. Happy Donald Duck Day. Bye.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. This week is a big week for fifth graders.
We are having a picnic
We're going bowling.
and promotion.
Congratulations, fifth graders. Thank you to all our fifth grade teachers.
Bye.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars and teachers. It's Mrs. Spar here with a few friends and an announcement. And these friends do not know what this announcement is yet. I've simply invited them to join me today as I read a letter that came in the mail. You may remember that these four friends back in November represented Johnson in the Elks Club Hoop Shoot contest. 2 of them represented 8 and 9-year-olds, and 2 of them represented 10 and 11-year-olds. And they all showed up on the day of the competition, which turned out to be very important for what I'm about to read to you. So, we ready? It says, Dear Principal Spar, our annual El Cajon Hoop Shoot event was held November 23rd at Cajon Valley Middle School. Your school was represented by the following students in the corresponding divisions. Jenny in girls 8 and 9, Sarah in girls 10 and 11, Marcus in boys 8 and 9, and Jaden in boys 10 and 11. That part we knew. This part we did not. In addition to individual awards, we also award school winners for teams with the most free throws made from the top 3 shooters of each school. Your top 3 shooters, who were Sarah was 16, Marcus was 16, Jaden was 6, made a combined 38 free throws. The total makes you the first place winner. A winning check for $150 is awarded to your school. Congratulations to your students and to your school for their great team achievement. So you guys earned Johnson $150. Thank you very much. Give yourselves a round of applause. Do you think we should spend it on something basketball? Maybe new nets? Yeah. Well, on behalf of Johnson Jaguars, who all enjoy our basketball courts, thank you for joining the competition. Thank you for winning the competition. And thank you for combining to beat all the other schools with the most free throws. Awesome. High five. High five. Thank you, Jaguars. Let's do it again next year, okay?
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. The garden is getting damaged lately.
It's not a playground. It's for all of us to enjoy.
Be safe. Don't run around the garden and jump on the garden.
Be respectful. Do not take any insects or reptiles or flowers.
Be productive. Help the garden if your class is out there to help. Bye, Johnson Jaguars.
This is our last 3rd grade broadcast of the year.
Thanks for watching. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
Get out of here, Danny.